Hey there everybody, it's me Joe again, and in this short video I want to talk to you about how to make questions starting with why do. So this will be about how to formulate a good question with perfect grammar starting with the words why and do. Okay? So what you have to know is there's four separate parts to sentences like this. The first part is the why question, the question word. So that in this case is why. The second part, that's the auxiliary verb. Sometimes that's also called the helping verb. Okay, in this case, it's either going to be do or does. And that depends on whether or not you have a singular subject noun or a plural subject noun. Okay? That leads us to the next word, which is the third word, and that is the subject. So you have to pick a subject. Who are you talking about, or what are you talking about in this question? It could be people, it could be Joe, it could be that guy, it could be students. And if you choose a singular, then you go, why does Joe? Why does that guy? Why does she? If you choose a plural subject, then you change it, the auxiliary verb to do. Why do people? Why do students? Okay? That brings us to the fourth part, and that is the verb, the main verb. All right? So what are you talking about? What action are you actually talking about in this question? So it could be love, it could be make, it could be read, it could be stop, any kind of word, any kind of verb. So it could be why do people love English? All right. Why do students hate homework? Why does Joe have no hair? Okay. And as you can see, after the main verb comes an object. You don't have to put an object in there sometimes, but a lot of times you do. So you'll have the first four main parts, right? The why question, the auxiliary verb do or does, the subject, either singular or plural, and then the main verb. And then possibly you follow up with an object. Okay? Now what I want to show you is this same lesson on the whiteboard so you can remember it forever. Okay? Okay, here is the format that I was talking about. We got the four main parts on the top. The question word, auxiliary verb, subject, and main verb. So the question word in this video is why. The auxiliary verb, we have two choices. It could be do for why do, or does for why does. The subject, so that could be a singular subject or a plural subject. So it could be people, it could be students, it could be Joe, or it could be that guy, anything like that. And then the last part is the main verb. So it could be teach, for example, or it could be love, or it could be bring, could be, like, anything. So in the example there is, why do people teach English? Why does Joe teach English? And then in the green letters, I have two more examples to show you. Why do some people, so some people, not all people, but your subject can be modified to mean some people. Why do some people smoke? You can leave it like that, or you can put in the object cigarettes, right? Why do some people smoke cigarettes? And the last one, why does she hate Joe? Okay, so that's got all the four parts too. I don't know why she hates me. I'm a very lovable guy. Okay? So, I hope you really enjoyed this video and I hope you learned a lot. If you have any questions, write them down below. Or if you want, you can write a why do question down below and I'll try to answer it for you. Okay? That's it for now. Bye-bye.